Hi viewers, so welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about exercise 2.5 in linear equation in one variable of class 8. So in our previous videos we have discussed the remaining exercises. So if you did not watch, so please go through those videos, so which I am giving the links in the description box, right? So in our previous exercises we have discussed the simple equations. Now in this particular exercise, so we are going to discuss about the problems related to the linear equation in one variable, so which contain fractional values, right? Now if you observe the first question, so we need to solve the following equations. So let us see the first question. What is given? N by 5 minus 5 by 7 is equal to 2 by 3. Now since this particular contains the variable, so this 5 by 7 I can transpose directly to the other side. So from this what I am going to get? So I can write it as, so this minus 5 by 7 I can transpose to the other side as, so I can write it as n by 5 is equal to, so already 2 by 3 is present, plus 5 by 7, because this minus 5 by 7 will become plus 5 by 7. Now since the denominators are not equal, that means these two fractions are unlike fractions. So when you are having unlike fractions, we cannot directly add them. So to make them like fractions, so we need to make the denominators as equal. So for that what I am going to do is, I am going to take LCM of 3 comma 7. So what is the LCM of 3 and 7? It is nothing but simply 1, 3 and 7 both are prime numbers. Then what is the LCM? So LCM is nothing but 21. So if you observe, so 3 into 7 is nothing but 21. So whenever the LCM is nothing but product of two numbers, then you can directly cross multiply the terms. So cross multiply the terms, so 7 into 2, so 7 into 2 is nothing but 14, plus 3 into 5, which is nothing but 15. So from this I can write it as n by 5 is equal to 14 plus 15 by 21. So from this n by 5 is equal to, so 14 plus 15 is nothing but 29 divided by 21. Now so whenever you have by 5, so what I can do? I can directly transpose it as into, right? So from this n is equal to 29 by 21 into, this is nothing but 1 by 5, so it becomes 5 by 1. So what is 29 5 sir? So if you don't know 29 multiplication, simply what we can do, we can directly multiply with 30. So 3 5s are 15, so 150, so 150, so 1 lesser number, no, so 29 is 1 lesser than 30. That means 1 time of 5 I need to subtract. That means this becomes 145 divided by 21. So 145 divided by 21 is nothing but my value of n. So n is equal to 145 by 21. Now let us see one more question. So x by 3 minus x by 4 is equal to 14. X by 3 minus x by 4 is equal to 14. Now if you observe this, so these two denominators are different. So when denominators are different, what we should do? We need to take LCM of those two numbers. So what is the LCM of 3 and 4? So LCM of 3 and 4, since both are having 1 as common factor, then directly their product is nothing but my LCM. Then LCM is equal to 12. Now when LCM is nothing but product of the numbers, then what I said, so we can directly cross multiply the terms. So what you are going to get? So this becomes 4 into x minus 3 into x is equal to 14. Now 4x minus 3x is nothing but x. X divided by 12 is equal to 14. Now this gives me, since 12 is in the denominator, so I can directly cross multiply. So x is equal to 14 into 12. So this gives me 14 12s are, it is nothing but 168. So you can easily multiply this. So what we can do is 14 tens are 140, 14 twos are 28. So 140 plus 28 is nothing but 168. So likewise also we can simply simplify the question, right? So this is one of the models so which we have. Next, moving on to the next question. See here we are having three fractions. So we are containing 2, 3 and 6 in the denominators. So since these fractions are having different denominators, so what I can do is, so I need to take LCM of 2 comma 3 comma 6. So what is the LCM of 2, 3 and 6? So it is nothing but 6 itself, right? Then what I can write it as, so 6 is the LCM. Now here we are having three terms, right? So three fractions are there, so we cannot directly make use of cross multiplication concept. So here what we can do is, so we need to take individually. So first of all take 2. So 2 in 2 table, when will you get 6? So how many times 2 gives you 6? 3 times. So that 3 we need to multiply with the numerator. Understood? So in 2 table, when are you going to get 6 means when you multiply with 3. So that 3 I need to multiply with this numerator value. So 3 into z. Next, what is the whatever the symbol, so that whatever the sign that is present here, the same sign will be carried here. Now next we need to go for this particular fraction. So in 3 table, when will you get 6? So in 3 table, when will you get 6? 2 times. So that 2 into, so whatever the thing that is numerator, so that we need to multiply. Next, after that the same sign, whatever the sign that is present here, the same sign we need to keep here. Next, in 6 table, when are you going to get 6? So that is nothing but 1 time. So 1 into z is equal to 6. Now simplify this. So 3 into z is nothing but 3z, 2 into z is nothing but 2z, 1 into z is nothing but 1z. So divided by 6 is equal to, sorry, here it is given as 8, right? So this is nothing but right hand side is 8. So it is nothing but 8. So 3z plus 2z is nothing but 5z, 5z minus z is nothing but 4z. So 4z divided by 6 is equal to 8. So here this is nothing but 4 by 6 into z, right? So from this z gets written as 8 into this 4 by 6, if I transpose it becomes 6 by 4. Is nothing in the denominator, then we have 1, right? So in 4 table this 8 gets cancelled 2 times. So from this finally what I can say, so the value of z is 2 6s 12 divided by 1. So divided by 1 means nothing but, so if you write or if you omit, so no problem. So z is equal to 12. So this is nothing but the approach so which we follow for this particular question, right? Next, moving on to question number 4. So what is question number 4, right? So here we are having two variable terms. So already we have an idea about this, right? So what is that? So whenever you want to simplify a linear equation in one variable, the variable should be present on one side and constants should be on the other side. So from this what I can say, here I can take LCM of these two, right? Since the denominators are different, I need LCM. So since both the numbers are prime numbers, right? So when prime numbers are given, directly take their product. So product of their numbers is nothing but the LCM. Now so the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So write as it is. Since the LCM is nothing but their product, then directly what I can do, I can directly cross multiply. So cross multiply, so 5 into 2 10p minus 3 into p, so 3 is equal to, but on the right hand side, so this particular thing is in the form of mixed fraction, right? So change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So how will you do? So first we need to multiply here. 11 3s are 33 plus 2, so 35 divided by 3. P minus 3p is nothing but 7p divided by 15 is equal to 35 by 3. Next, what I can do? So like previous problem, what I can do? So here p is being multiplied with 7 by 15. So when I transpose that into, it becomes reciprocal. That means, so p I can write it as already 35 by 3 is on right hand side, and this 7 by 15 if I transpose, it becomes 15 by 7. Now clearly, so 3 table 15, so it gets cancelled 5 times. The same way in 7 table it gets cancelled 5 times. So p is equal to 5 into 5 is nothing but 25. So the value of p is 25 here. So here while doing cancellations, so be careful. Okay, miss any number, then answer will go wrong. So while doing calculations, you should be very careful. Next one. Now if you look at this question, now first of all we are having mixed fractions, right? So 9 1 by 4, 1 by 3. So first of all we need to change those mixed fractions into improper fractions. So what we are going to get? So 9 4s are 36 plus 1, it is nothing but 37 by 4 is equal to y minus, so 3 1s are 3 plus 1, so it is nothing but 4 by 3. In the next step, so here only one variable term is present and remaining are constant. So you make the like terms to one side, then what I am going to get? So 37 by 4 plus 4 by 3 is equal to y. Here where I when it is transposed, it becomes plus. Now if you observe, these two are unlike fractions. So if you want to make them like, so what I should do? I need to take the LCM. So what is the LCM of 4 and 3? So LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So if that is the case, then what I can do? I can directly cross multiply. So 37 into 3. So 7 3s are 21, 2 is left, 3 3s are 9, plus 2 11, plus so 4 4s are 16 is equal to y. So 111 plus 16 is nothing but 127 divided by 12 is equal to y. Is there furthermore cancellation possible there? So there is no possibility for cancellation, because so 12 means, so it can cancel in 2 and 3 table, but in the numerator, since it is odd number, we can't cancel in 2 as well as 4, and otherwise of the 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10. So sum of digits is not divisible by 3 as well. So y is equal to, simply we can write it as 127 by 12. Now, so we have discussed all simple problems. Now let us go on with one more, so which contains different model, right? So here if you observe, we are having 3 terms, so which are containing variables, and one constant term on left hand side and one constant term on right hand side. So here what I can do is, so I can transpose this particular constant term to right hand side, and the remaining terms which are containing the variables, so I will be simplifying those things, right? Now from this what I can say? So x by 2 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to, already 5 is put on right hand side, 4 by 5 will be transposed as plus 4 by 5 onto the right hand side. Now since these 3 are having different denominators, so we can take LCM of these. So what is the LCM of 2 5 and 10? So take the LCM of 2 5 and 10. So 2 5 10. So in 5 table if I cancel it, so 2 as it is, so 5 one time, so 10. So in 5 table 10 2 times, again in 2 table if I do, so 1 time and 1 time, so 5 2s are 10. So the LCM of this is 10. So again, now since we are having 3 terms, so one by one we need to follow. So in 2 table 10 5 times, so this is nothing but 5 times of numerator. What is numerator here? X, plus in 5 table times, so 2 times of x, plus in 10 table 10 1 time, so 1 time of what is there in the numerator already, 3x is present now, so I can directly write. So here already both the denominators are same, directly I have taken 5 as common, then directly I can write as 1 plus 4. Now 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10. So from this what I can say, 10x by 10 is equal to 5 by 5. So in 10 table, so 10 cancels 1 times, so x is equal to, in 5 table 5 1 time, so the value of x is nothing but 1. So the answer for this question is x is equal to 1, right? Next, moving on to the next question. See here, x by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. So here clearly you can observe that we are having one variable and one variable term on right hand side, one constant on left hand side, one constant on right hand side. So first we need to rearrange them. So I am transposing this x by 3 to left hand side and this minus 1 by 4 to right hand side. So after rearranging, what we are going to get, so x by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. If you observe the denominators, so denominators are different, but these two are prime numbers, right? So directly what I can say, so 2 3s are 6, so LCM is 6, so directly I can cross multiply. So 3x minus 2x is equal to, here 2 and 4 both are different, no? So what would be the LCM? So LCM of 2 and 4 is nothing but 4. So if you want, you can check it out. Now in 2 table, when will you get 4? 2 times. So 2 into whatever the numerator, so 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 time. So 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. So 3x minus 2x is nothing but x. So x divided by 6 is equal to, this is nothing but 3 divided by 4. So from this, x is equal to what I can write, so 3 by 4 into, so this is nothing but, if nothing is there, 1 will be there, right? So 1 by 6 becomes 6 by 1. So from this, so in 2 table I can cancel this 2 times, in 2 table I can cancel it 3 times. So what is the answer that I am going to get? So 3 3s are 9, by denominator is 2 into 1, which is nothing but 2, right? So till here we are getting, we have done all the problems related to one particular model by rearranging the variables and taking the LCM of the things, and we have done, right? Now from question number 8, so this follows cross multiplication. So this problem is based on cross multiplication, right? So here whenever you are having variables in numerator and denominator and constant on the other side, and when you are having equality sign, then what I can do directly is I can do cross multiplication. So cross multiplication means, so directly, so this 3 will be multiplied with the numerator. So cross multiplication means nothing but numerator of, so if you are having one fraction on left hand side and one fraction on right hand side, then you can directly apply cross multiplication. So cross multiplication means, so numerator of left hand side will be multiplied with the denominator of right hand side, and denominator of right hand side, sorry, denominator of left hand side will be multiplied with the numerator of right hand side. So that means what I am going to get, 3 into 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 2 into 3x plus 2. So this is nothing but, we call it as cross multiplication. So denominator of right hand side will be multiplied with numerator of left hand side, and numerator of right hand side will be multiplied with the denominator of left hand side. Now when you multiply, so already we know the process of multiplication. Whenever you are having brackets, so 3 into 2 6x minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to minus 2 into 3 6x minus 2 into 2 is nothing but minus 4. Now here also what we can do, we need to transpose the like terms to one side. So from this what I am going to get, 6x minus of minus 6x becomes plus 6x is equal to, already on right hand side minus 4 is there, this minus 9 becomes plus 9. So from this 6x plus 6x is nothing but 12x is equal to 9 minus 4 is nothing but 9 minus 4 is 5. So from this x is equal to 5 divided by 12. So the value of x is 5 by 12. Okay, so this is nothing but problem related to cross multiplication. Next, moving on to one more question. So here also we are having the same thing. So before going to the problem, so if you observe this on right hand side, see these two are having 2 as common, so we can directly cancel them. So minus 1 by 2 times. Now in the next process we are going to cross multiply. So whenever you are having anything common, so first of all we can cancel and later on we can proceed with the cross multiplication. So what is cross multiplication here? So 2 multiplied with the numerator. So what is that? So 2 into 8p minus 5 is equal, so minus 1 to 7 1. So when you multiply 2 8s are 16p minus 2 5s are 10 is equal to, when you multiply with minus 1, so minus 7p minus 1. So transpose this minus 7p to left hand side and minus 10 to right hand side. So what I am going to get? Minus 16p plus 7p is equal to minus 1 plus 10. So 16 plus 7 is nothing but, I think, 23p is equal to 10 minus 1 is nothing but 9. So from this p is equal to 9 divided by 23. So this is nothing but the value of p, right? Next, so this also the same thing, right? So we are having one fraction on left hand side and one fraction on right hand side. So whenever I am having one fraction on left hand, one fraction, we can directly do cross multiplication. So how to do cross multiplication here? So this 11 will be multiplied with this and this 5 will be multiplied with this. Then what I am going to get? So 11 into 7y plus 2 is equal to 5 into 6y minus 5. Then on multiplication, 11 7s are, it is nothing but 77y plus 11 2s are 22. So you know multiplication, right? So likewise we need to multiply. So which gives me 5 6 are 30y minus 5 5s are 25. Now transpose the terms which are like to one side and the remaining to the other side. So 77y minus 30y is equal to, so already minus 25 is present and this plus 22 will be transposed as minus 22. 77 minus 30 is nothing but 44y is equal to minus 47, right? So 5 plus 2 7, 2 plus 2 4. Now 77 minus 30 is nothing but, sorry, it is nothing but 47. Sorry, here the subtraction is 47. So 77 minus 30 is 47. So from this y is equal to minus 47 by 47, which gives me minus 1. So the value of y is minus 1. Okay, now let us move on to the next question. See here, if you observe this particular question, in each and every term we are having variable. So when you are having such type of questions, you need to simplify the left hand side and right hand side separately, and after that we need to do the simplification. So first of all we need to simplify this left hand side because we are having two terms on left hand side, right? Now first of all, what is LCM of 6 comma 9? So LCM of 6 comma 9, so how to find? So in 3 table, so this goes 2 times, this goes 3 times. Now again in 2 table I can cancel it 1 time and 3 will be as it is. So 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So LCM of 6 comma 9 is 18. So here I can directly take the LCM as 18. Now in 6 table 18 goes how many times? So you know that in 6 table 18 goes 3 times. So 3 times of, so whatever the thing that is present in the numerator, so we need to multiply with that. And what is the sign here? Minus. 9 table, 18 goes how many times? 2 times. So that 2 into, so whatever the thing that is present in the numerator, so that you need to write is equal to, so already x plus 3 by 4 is present, so write as it is. Now simplify this. So already we know how to open the brackets. So 3x plus 15 minus, so if you multiply with minus 2, we get minus 2x minus 2 divided by 18, which gives me x plus 3 divided by 4. So this is nothing but x plus 3 divided by 4. So 3x minus 2x is nothing but x, plus 15 minus 2 is nothing but 13 divided by 18 is equal to x plus 3 divided by 4. Now if you observe carefully, so whatever the problem that we done earlier, so this is nothing but the cross multiplication process question, no? Right? Now here what I can do is, see, whenever you are having equality sign, you can do cancellation for the terms, so which are individual, right? So which are simply the numbers are the same like terms. That means we can't cancel x plus 13 and x plus 3, so we can't directly cancel x and x. But here 18 and 4, so both are individual terms, right? So I can cancel the terms which are in the denominators. So this can be cancelled in 2 table 2 times, this 9 times. Now we can't cancel this x and x here, so that is not the proper way. Okay, now do cross multiplication. So on doing cross multiplication, what we are going to get? So 2 times x plus 13 is equal to 9 times of x plus 3. So cancel this x and x. Okay, so if you are having x plus 3 here and here also x plus 3, then you can cancel. Okay, so if these combination of the terms are the same, then you can cancel it. Okay, now multiply this. So 9 into 9 into, so 2 into x is 2x plus 26 is equal to 9x plus 27. Now 9x I can transpose this side, 26 to the other side. So 2x minus 9x is equal to 27 minus 26. So 2x minus 9x is nothing but minus 7x is equal to 1. So from this x is equal to minus 1 divided by 7. So the value of x is minus 1 by 7. Right? So this is nothing but the value of x. So likewise we can simplify the questions. Next, moving on to one more question. So here the variable is t. Now if you observe this, on both the sides you are having 2 terms. Now if you want to simplify this in easier way, if you observe the denominators, so here we are having 16, here we are having 8, and here we are having 7, and here we are having 14. So these two are interrelated and these two are interrelated, right? So when such type of, so here we can take LCM in an easier way. So that's why what we are going to do is, so we are going to make 16 and 8 as one combination and 714 as one combination. So how can I write this as? So already 16 on left hand, I will be transposing this t plus 3 by 8 onto the left hand side. So it becomes minus t plus 3 by 8. So already 3t minus 1 by 14 is on right hand side. So I can transpose this 2t minus 3 by 7 onto right hand side. So this becomes 2t minus 3 by 7. Now if you observe the denominators, so here we are having 16, here we are having 8, here we are having 14, here we are having 7. Now 16 and 8 LCM is nothing but 16 itself, and here on the right hand side the LCM is 14. So why we have transposed, so you might have understood, right? Now in 16 table 16 goes one time, so one time of 3t plus 1. So what is the symbol? That symbol we need to write here. 8 it goes 2 times. So simply write 2 times of t plus 3. The same way here also, in 14 table 14 1 time, so 1 into 3t minus 1, plus in 7 table it goes 2 times, so 2 times of 2t minus 3. So now simplify the numerators. So 3t plus 1 minus 2 times of t plus 3 means minus 2t minus 6 divided by 16 is equal to, so if you open the numerator, so 3t minus 1 plus 2 2s are 4t minus 6 divided by 14. Now in 2 table this goes 8 times, this goes 7 times. Now simplify the numerators. So here, since we can see 3t here and 3t here, we should, so don't get tempted out, so both are looking same, we can directly cancel them, right? We should not cancel, that is against the rules of cancellation. So first of all we need to simplify. So 3t minus 2t is nothing but t, 1 minus 6 is nothing but minus 5 divided by 8, which gives me, so 3t plus 4t is 7t, minus 1 minus 6 is nothing but minus 7 divided by 7. Now if I move on to further simplification, so this becomes t minus 5 divided by 8 is equal to, now if you observe in the numerator we are having 7, I can take common, right? So 7, if I take common, this becomes t minus 1 by 7. So I can take 7 as common, then I can write as 7 times of t minus 1 by 7. Now 7 cancel. See here, we cannot cancel the 7 and 7. Okay, understood? So if you want to cancel this denominator 7, in the numerator you should have all the terms with 7 multiples. So here we have 7 multiples, so after taking as common we can cancel it. Now what I am going to get, t minus 5 by 8 is equal to t minus 1 divided by 1. Now cross multiply. So t minus 5 into 1 is nothing but t minus 5 is equal to, if you multiply with 8, so 8t minus 8. Now transpose this 8t to left hand side and minus 5 to right hand side. So t minus 8t is equal to, so already minus 8, so minus 5 will become plus 5. T minus 8t is nothing but minus 7t is equal to minus 3. Minus we can cancel, is equal to 3 divided by 7. So the value of t is 3 by 7, right? So these are nothing but the problems, so which are related to the fraction forms and where we are going to multiply cross multiplications, right? So this is nothing but the first problem, so in which we are having 12 bits. So we have solved each and every problem and we have learnt different models so related to this. Okay, thank you for watching the video.